Whenever you're ready.
Hello science, my old friend. We've come to talk about you again. Just kidding. We aren't doing that. What is the sound of science? How do we classify a sound as being science? In physics, sound is a vibration that propagates as an acoustic wave through a transmission medium, such as gas, liquid or solid. Acoustics is the interdisciplinary science that deals with the study of mechanical waves, including sound, ultrasound, and the ever-funky infrasound. Subdisciplines include aeroacoustics, audio signal processing, architectural acoustics, bioacoustics, environmental noise, musical acoustics, noise control, psychoacoustics, speech, underwater acoustics, and vibration. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Since music is a subdiscipline unto itself, this song could theoretically be part of scientific study. By listening to this song, you are now officially a test subject. How does that make you feel? Have you noticed any changes to your mood? Are you feeling more science yet? Do you feel smarter and more attractive? Has this too affected the nature of your groove? If so, please explain. Thank you for participating in this study. Please be sure to sign the provided release forms, collect your coupon for free yogurt smoothie, and continue listening to the sound of science as we collect more data. Oh yeah.